I built this simple mode detector by using Python and Tkinter. Just type how you feel today. Sad, angry, and instantly replies with the perfect emoji and message. If I type I am tried, it say go to some rest. If I type I'm in love, it say oh tell me more. Here we use Tkinter, L librarian and summing, a function and diff and elif conditions. So here we used a sum of functions. Here's some G, U, I steps which we apply in our project. Now our coding is complete. Let's see how it works. Let's run our code. It's worked successfully. If you liked this project, then don't forget like, subscribe, and just share our channel.